Good morning. Today is our fifth episode of Steps and Stages of Pattern Making. Now we are in our fifth episode, which we will call Tracing a Pattern from the Block Pattern. Yesterday, during our episode, we made the block pattern. We discussed about the lines. Those lines that we discussed in the mannequin, we transfer into the paper. Today, we will transfer that pattern from the block to a new pattern without those lines. We need tape measure, eraser, pencil, marking pen. We need ruler, short ruler. We need a curve. We need a tape and a dispenser. Then we need scissor. Do not use the paper scissor to the fabric, or the other way around. Do not use the fabric scissor to the paper. Now we will start. First, we will put another paper on top of the block pattern, and then we will trace to separate the two sides. You need to understand the two sides, you see, it's overlapping. You need to transfer in the new paper. This is separate. Okay, so putting those marking is very important in tracing a paper, and you will see after this. Alright? Okay, I traced this one earlier, so it's very easy for you to understand, but basically I traced this one according to that black. Same thing what we will do in the back. We will trace this, put a marker there. We will put center back here. Okay, later I will put this one center front, and you need to put here a note that this is the back cross. After that, we remove this one. You can see we have a yellow background today because you need to see the paper, because my table is white. Let's discuss first the front. So what we will do, with the help of this tape and the dispenser, we need to join all together that dart. Okay, and then using your pencil, use pencil in making a mark all the joint. Okay, you see it's almost perfect there. And this one, after you finish there, we will go here. It's a bit slippery, right? Mark. You can put a mark as much as you want. The important, the shape will not be deformed. Okay, like that. You can see that the nipple in the side front and the nipple mark in the center front is almost perfect, right? And then we go here. You can do that. It's very easy. Actually, tracing a pattern from the block is more easier than doing the block pattern. Okay, here there's a little bit, but here we can do that when we join the two sides. Okay, then let's put this one first here. Let's put this one center front. And then the same thing, what we will do in the back. Let's tape this one. Alright. And this one. Dart. That is the waist. Okay. Okay. Actually, the back is not too bad if you don't have that mark like this, because it's only a straight. But it's much better if you will put mark as you wish. So this is side back and this is side front. Okay, going back to our measurement card, wherein we measure the letter G. And the measurement of our letter G is only 7. If I'm not mistaken, it's 7. Okay, this one from the waistline to here is almost 8.5. So it's too high, right? So 7 is here. But going back to our black pattern, the bust point, the bust line is lower than under the arm. So if this is our bust line, this is really 1.5 higher than this. But at this moment, measurement is 7. Let's make it 8. Okay? So it's not too down. It's 8. That's it. So with the use of the curve, we will trace this one. Okay, there. Put a new line there, and here. And you see this one? It looks like the shape of the hair. Look. There. Okay. So what we do, let's cut this one. Put X this one. So that means you know that this is the wrong guideline. Okay. Then you will make this. Okay, it's perfect shoulder. 4.5, 4 and 4. Put the tape. I suggest to look the lady have you know, a sexy narrow shoulder. We can do it slightly in. Let's remove that one. By the way, we don't have a sleeve, so this is sleeveless. So this, so there you will cut this one, cut this one until you get this measurement is size 8. It's very sexy. It's 35, 26, 36. Okay, so here we have it. Now we need to cut the neck. By the way, we measure up for opening, but here is the 4 opening, so it's up to you. You want this to make it square, you want this to be v-neck, but for now let's do is exactly the same this one, because we will check if this pattern, when we cut in the fabric, if this will fit perfectly in the mannequin. Okay, there you go. We have this one. Excuse me. Okay, so side back, and this one we need to check. Okay, there. We can put a little mark there and another mark here. Okay, let's put this one a tape, and then we cut this one. Then we have this. After this, we cut also this one. And then this one. Okay, you can see those small line. This is your connecting mark. If you want, you can put this marker pen, right? Because you check it already. Here. If you are tracing the pattern and you are not yet sure about the placement of those marks, do not use a marker. Just use a pencil so you can still erase and adjust. And as much as possible, you will use a very, very fine line here. Then, that's it. This is center back. This is center front. Let's put here episode number 5. Center front. This is episode number 5. And that's it. I hope you've learned something tonight or this morning. And we will check in the mannequin.